How millions of cakes are made in a factory. Mass-produced cakes are a staple in many households, from snack cakes to elaborate layered cakes. The process of making millions of cakes in a factory involves a carefully streamlined assembly line that ensures consistency, efficiency, and quality. With precise automation and quality control, cakes are baked, decorated, and packaged for consumers to enjoy worldwide. Here's an overview of how cakes are made in a factory, from raw ingredients to the final packaged product. The journey of a factory-made cake begins with sourcing the raw ingredients. High-quality flour, sugar, eggs, butter, oil, milk, and various flavorings are sourced in bulk from suppliers. These ingredients are stored in dedicated areas of the factory to maintain freshness and prevent contamination. Other ingredients like cocoa powder, vanilla extract, and food coloring are also added depending on the type of cake being produced. For large-scale production, industrial bakeries often work with large flour silos and bulk storage for liquids like milk and oils. These ingredients are measured and prepared to the exact specifications needed for the production of cakes in large quantities. Once the ingredients are ready, they are transferred to large industrial mixers. The first step in making cake batter is combining the dry ingredients, like flour, sugar, baking powder, and cocoa, if making chocolate cake. These dry ingredients are sifted to ensure no lumps remain and are blended together to form a consistent mixture. Next, the wet ingredients, typically eggs, milk, oil, or butter, are added to the dry mix. These ingredients are often pre-measured and stored in large vats before being poured into the mixing tanks. The mixer blends everything at high speeds, creating a smooth, consistent batter. Many factories use continuous mixers, which are designed for high-volume production. These mixers keep the batter flowing efficiently, ensuring that large amounts of batter can be made at once without delays or interruptions. Once the batter is mixed, it's transferred to the cake molds. In a factory setting, this process is highly automated. Machines are used to pour the batter into precisely measured cake pans or molds. Whether making single-layer cakes, multi-layered cakes, or smaller snack cakes, the amount of batter dispensed is carefully controlled to ensure uniform size and shape. After the batter is poured into molds, it moves along a conveyor belt into industrial ovens. These ovens are designed to bake thousands of cakes at once and are programmed to maintain consistent temperature and humidity levels. The baking time and temperature vary depending on the size and type of cake, but typically it's around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 20 to 30 minutes. Large industrial ovens used in cake factories can be tunnel ovens or rack ovens. Tunnel ovens allow cakes to be baked in batches, moving steadily through a long heated tunnel. The cake batter rises as it bakes, creating a fluffy texture that will hold up when cooled. Once the cakes are baked to perfection, they are transferred onto cooling racks or cooling conveyors. Cooling is a crucial step because the cakes must be cooled to room temperature before they can be handled further. If the cakes are not cooled properly, they may become too soft or break apart during slicing and packaging. For larger cakes, the cooling process is often sped up using air circulation or refrigeration systems. For snack cakes or smaller products, cooling may take place on conveyor belts, where air is blown over the cakes to speed up the process. After the cakes cool, they are moved to slicing machines. In industrial bakeries, cakes are often sliced by automated machines that ensure uniformity in size and shape. This step is especially important for products like layered cakes or individually wrapped snack cakes, where consistency is key to maintaining product quality. Some cakes require additional decoration or filling before being packaged. In factories, this step is also highly automated. For example, cakes that require frosting, filling, or icing are moved to machines that apply these components with precision. For multi-layered cakes, filling is injected between the layers. This could be frosting, jam, or custard, depending on the recipe. The frosting is usually spread or piped onto the cake's surface using automated icing machines, ensuring a uniform coating. Many factories also use machines for adding sprinkles, fondant, or even edible decorations. For smaller cakes like cupcakes or snack cakes, automated systems are used to apply frosting or chocolate coating evenly, often dipping them into large vats or using automated nozzles. Once the cakes are decorated or filled, they are ready for packaging. Packaging is a crucial part of the process, ensuring that the cakes remain fresh and undamaged while being transported to stores and consumers. Large machines wrap each cake individually in plastic, foil, or other protective packaging. For snack cakes, the packaging is often done in shrink-wrap machines, which tightly seal the cake in plastic. For larger cakes, the cakes might be boxed or placed into protective trays before being shrink-wrapped. Labeling machines apply the necessary information, including expiration dates, nutrition facts, and branding. The cakes are then placed into larger shipping cartons, ready to be shipped to stores and distribution centers. These boxes are organized, stacked, and prepared for transport by a fleet of trucks or through logistics providers. Step 7. Distribution. The final stage is distribution. The finished cakes are loaded onto delivery trucks, and from there, they are transported to warehouses and eventually to grocery stores and supermarkets. Efficient logistics ensure that cakes are delivered fresh and on time, ready for consumers to purchase. Conclusion. Making millions of cakes in a factory is a highly automated and efficient process. From mixing the batter to decorating and packaging, each step is carefully controlled to ensure that the cakes are consistently of high quality. The use of large-scale machinery allows bakeries to produce massive quantities of cakes while maintaining precision and quality. Whether it's a simple snack cake or a layered celebration cake, the process remains a marvel of industrial food production, allowing us to enjoy delicious cakes at home with convenience and consistency.